Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can archive order on Amazon. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to their platform, and from here you then want to log in your account that has the order that you want to archive. So from there you then want to navigate through your returns and orders. Now unfortunately in my case I don't have any orders on my Amazon account right here, but you then want to navigate through a specific order that you want to archive, and from there it will then go ahead and look something like this. Basically, you have the ability to buy it again or view your item, but below your order, you will be able to see the archive order option right here. Now, all you have to do is to click on this specific button, and from there you will be able to archive your order easily. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.